What do you really, really, really want? I remember the late Bob Proctor, he used to ask that over and over again. What do you really, really want? If you really know what you want, then you can have anything that you want. When you get clear, everything moves faster and manifestation begins with clarity. Hi, I'm Victoria Gallagher. I am the Law of Attraction hypnotist and the #1 best-selling author of the book Practical Law of Attraction, the founder of the Believe Hypnosis app, the founder of the Money Manifestation Mastermind on School. Welcome to my channel. If you love manifestation, mindset, creating real results, making more money, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so that you always get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Also, be sure to download my Believe Hypnosis app at believehypnosis.app. Inside the app, you're going to get access to over 1,000 hypnosis and manifestation trainings, hypnosis sessions, all designed to help you to manifest more money, clients, and business success. And if you want deeper support, accountability, consistency, new friends, when it comes to growing your business and increasing your clients and your income, then be sure to join my Money Manifestation Mastermind community on School, where we work on clearing your money blocks, rewiring your subconscious mind for success, and strengthening and empowering your beliefs in creating real results with increased income and cash flow. And I'm going to share later how you can do that in this video. But today we are talking about exactly how do you get clear on what you want so that manifestation can start working better for you. Before we get into it, go ahead and drop a comment below with one word that represents what do you want? What do you want more of right now? All right. So many people say that they want things like more money, more freedom, more time, more peace of mind, love. They want to be healthy, right? But all of these things are very vague. That's the one thing, if you want more money and I just was to give you a penny or give you a dollar, then you would have fulfilled on having exactly what you said that you wanted. Clarity begins when you give your mind much more specific details. So that's what we're talking about here. We need to figure out what are the specifics that you really, really want. How much more money do you actually want or even need right now? That's another thing Bob Proctor actually used to talk about was how to figure out how much money you really want. Because some people say, oh, I want to be a millionaire or I want $1 million, right? But do you really need $1 million? I mean, maybe you do. Maybe you have enough needs for that. But if you wrote down all the things that you would do with that, you might find that you don't even really need that much in order to live a completely satisfying life. So ask yourself a few simple questions. How much money do you actually want or even need? What would an ideal day in your life even look like, or an ideal week, or an ideal month, or an ideal year? Like literally write it down. Think about how much money you actually want or need that you would, or all the things that you want to do. Do you want to take a couple of vacations a year? Do you want to buy new clothes? Do you want to have more jewelry? Do you want to have more free time? Do you want to go to the movies more often, go out to dinner more often? What do you actually want to do with the money? Because you certainly don't need money just to be rolling around, you know, um, on your countertop or on your floor or whatever. You may not actually even see the money. So you've got to actually have a use for the money before it's ever going to be able to show up for you. So get really specific. What do you want to spend the money on specifically? Why do you need it? Make a list that, and just really get in touch with what it is and why you want that. Why actually is the biggest single most important question you could ever ask yourself. Most people are too worried about how, and they're worried about that, if they put something out there, they don't know how it's going to show up. The how doesn't matter as long as you have a big enough why. If you can really, really get in touch with your why, then your brain is going to be able to figure out the how. And so, what does it mean about you? What does it mean about you when you have more income coming in? As an example, your mind absolutely loves these clear instructions. It needs that clarity. Otherwise, you're kind of like living in a little bit of a brain fog. You've got all these ideas kind of rolling around in your head. You don't have like a really clear direction. And so your mind doesn't really have anything, enough energy, enough momentum, enough clarity to really do anything with all these wants and desires. And so that's why you're running around saying, oh, I don't know how to manifest, because you haven't actually gotten clear on what it is that you actually want. If you would just commit to it, if you would just say, this is what I really, really want, this is what I'm going to focus on, you're going to actually start to see the wheels start to go in motion. So then after you've pretty much figured that out. You want to just keep asking the right questions. Ask questions, just write down what you want, stay with it for a little bit, start to ask yourself some simple questions like, why do I want this? What's actually going to change in my life once this happens? What gets to feel easier when this is now a part of my life? And then just, as you're listening for the answer, go with the answers that just have a feeling, that register a good high vibration feeling in your body. It feels good when you say it coming out of your mouth. It's not like jumbled. You actually believe what you're saying. And when the answer feels complete, when the answer feels final, then you have elevated your level of clarity. Like you can say this, you believe it, you feel it, you can kind of see how this may could happen for you. And when you have reached that level, like it just feels really satisfying coming out of your mouth, then you have clarity. So go ahead and write in the comments, write out what you want in one very clear sentence. Say it like you would explain it to a friend. And then the next step is to decide, what are you going to do with all this clarity? Now that you know what you want, decide, how are you going to act upon this? What would make sense to do next? That might be taking one action and then waiting for the next action to appear. Most of the time, we know exactly what to do next, but we're worried about seeing the whole stairway that we don't even take that first step. So once you take that first step, the next step will appear. It'll just be natural. So it might mean also that you're just making decisions now from a new place in your mind. You're making a decision from the part of you who has this clarity. This is what I'm going for. So before you agree to something, ask yourself, does this support you getting what you want? Then you literally start putting things on your calendar. You start talking about it in your conversations. You have it on your list of priorities in a way that reflects this newfound clarity. And you want to just really keep focused on what you said you want. And you want to be in alignment with it through your thoughts, through your feelings, through your actions. You want to match it all the way through, complete alignment. That is how you get extremely clear. This is where clarity becomes real and it actually takes form. So choose one thing that moves you in the direction that you want to go and keep doing that consistently. Clarity only works when you also get clear on creating the life choices around what you want that are going to support you in having you manifest that. And then finally, is to stick with one clear direction consistently. Choose the one main focus. One clear desire creates a clear signal to the universe that you are serious about having what you want. Write it down, read it daily, tell at least one trusted person, not the naysayer, but the positive person in your life, about what it is that you want and see if they can get the same idea, the same picture in their mind that you're articulating to them. That can be the true test to see how clear you really are about it. When you're so clear that you can put the same image into somebody else's mind about it that you think that you're clear about and they get it, then you will know that you are clear. Now, I want you to do this. In the comments, write out what you want in a few sentences. Again, read it back to yourself, and if it feels clear and steady, then you know that you are on the right track. Now, if you want daily support with your clarity, with your focus, with your manifestation, then go ahead and download my Believe Hypnosis app at believehypnosis.app. And if you want structured guidance, accountability, real growth around money, increasing income, clients, go ahead and join my Money Manifestation Mastery program. It's a money manifestation mastermind community on School, and you will find the links below. Remember, clarity creates confidence, and confidence creates the action, and action is what creates the results. Once you decide what you want, everything in your life begins to line up. Once again, I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist, wishing you an amazing day. Go ahead and get that clarity, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.